Ras Malai is a popular dessert from Southeast Asia. It's so soft that it melts in your mouth. Mmm, yummy.
Hello everyone, the ingredients we need are milk 2 liter, sugar 1¼ cup, milk powder 1 cup, baking powder 1 teaspoon, 1 egg, all-purpose flour 1 tablespoon, water as needed, cardamom powder 1/4 teaspoon and nuts as needed. Add milk to your pan. Add cardamom powder and sugar. Stir it constantly, otherwise it will stick to the pan. We have to wait until the milk boils. Milk is boiling. Now let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes, then lower the flame and let it cook. In the meantime, we will go and make our dumplings for the Ras Malai. Add milk powder, baking soda, all-purpose flour. Mix it well. Now crack the egg and add to the mixture. Mix it. Now we will knead the dough like this. Dough should not be very hard or very soft, but it's a little bit hard, so we will add water. But we have to add water drop by drop, otherwise it will be running. Dough is ready. You can see it's this much soft. Now we will make the dumplings. You have to make a ball. There should be no cracks in it. Then press with your finger from in the center like this.
What's the purpose of pressing?
Then it will be cooked properly from the center. There will be no hard portion in the center. Higher the flame for your milk. When it starts boiling, add Ras Malai in it. Cover the lid for a while. After 1 minute, take off the lid and turn the side. Now you can see that the Ras Malai is getting fluffy and it's floating on the top. Turn the side if you feel that the Ras Malai is not ready, because when it's not ready, it's having a dark color on the top. So whenever you see that, like you can see it's a dark color on the top, turn the side. The other side it's done, it's light color. They are almost ready. We will dish out the Ras Malai. You can see, and we will garnish it and refrigerate it for at least 8 to 10 hours. Then we will serve it. Carefully pour the milk. because at this point Ras Malai is very soft and break very easily. Garnish the Ras Malai. We will refrigerate.